stand so proud before you, Bwana RDC. I mobilized my community given the events of the mafias coming. The constitution of Uganda says we have the right to defend our land. I told them openly, mobilize stones to stone these mafias away. And I told them, I openly told them, don't kill them. If an animal comes out of the park, what do? Get stones and chase them away. So these mafias are like animals out of the park, threatening the livelihood of the people. So if you are not briefed, the whole history of the area is that there is a lot of hidden agenda.
We need peace in our homes. We need peace in our society. I have asked them that we need respect. The children should respect their elders, and the elders should respect the children. The community should respect their leaders, and the leaders should respect their the communities. We say that we are able to sit here because of peace, and this peace is the agenda of of our president. And you are here as the envoy to bring this peace in the community.
It is when I talk of my people living in a state of fear, I would love to give a report to you. In the past 3 months, people, I would love to call them mafias, have been coming. I would love to say, I'm not so shy to say they were wanyankoles. They used to come here in disguise that they want to rent land. But in that state, they come with a vehicle full of people with guns. They actually came here under the mango tree. That's when, under this very fene tree, to come to our chairperson LC1. That's when the community were mobilized to only realize there were a lot of guns in the vehicle. So they were rushed with the help of our Giso and me being the chairperson LC3. They were whispered out of the sub-county because we had to intervene because of insecurity. When I reported to my bosses, being the chairperson of security of a sub-county, I reported to my bosses, the RDC, they denied knowledge of where these people came from. Then when these people came, they later on came, they said, no, we reported in the office of the DSO, we reported in the office the RDC, and when I go to the office of the RDC denies. So me being the chairperson of the security, I feel like there's a lot of threat in the sub-county regarding this very land. Came and started surveying the very land. When the locals realized this Wanyankole is moving with the equipment of survey, the youth mobilized themselves and called to them. And there's a lot of witness in the eyes of in the office of the RDC. They were taken to General Tabani, where they were given a lot of strokes in the front of General Tabani. And their vehicle was confiscated by the locals, only to be mediated by General Tabani, and their vehicle was released and apologized. They will never report back in the names of surveying the land. So me being the chairperson of security, who are these mafias who are coming to survey the land? If I told the land belongs to Sabuni family, why not the Sabuni family coming, but Wanyankoles are the ones coming? That brings me to another point. My locals have received information which can be testified by the LC1 of one of the villages affected. A certain Wanyankole claims to have paid money to the Sabuni family.
Tukamweleza Obunkenke, nimesikia mambo mengi ya hii watu ya mafia. Mimi nakwambia hivi, sisi tunataka vitu viwili. Siku 2006 tulikuja kwa meeting hapa California. Tulisema tunataka kuleta hapa maendeleo kama university. Watu wakasema ngoja kidogo nini. Tukasema tutangoja. Tuliongea na Ngopek, tunasema tunataka tukate dongo kubwa sana, watu wakae wapatie makaratasi. Lino akaniambia, kwa nini unakuja saa hii kama tunaenda kwa election? Kuja mara nyingine. Nikasema hii watu wanalia, watu wanakuja wanawachokoza, wawapatie dini makaratasi. Sisi wa Sabuni hatutaki nini? Vita, hatutaki. Tunataka watu wawapatie karatasi, mkuwe na vitu vyenyu. ndio hiyo. Sasa kama mtu mwingine anasema kila ingine, nikasema wacha nikuje mimi niongee. Munaelewa?
Tunaelewa.
Munaelewa?
Tunaelewa.
Lazima mupate haki yenu. Lazima. Kama mupate haki yenu, si mimi Sabuni anaongea hapa. Mimi nawaheshimu kwa ajili mama ya baba wangu ni Alur. Hata kama tumekuwa mahali pengine, tunaheshimu sana. Sitaki mambo ya kufanya ni ya vita.
Kuvuta ni kuvuta.
Ya mbele ya mini.
That there are two options. The family of Sabuni to take 350 acre, the community 250 acre. It's saying that the second option is the family of Sabuni we give you a title. He's asking who's going to give you the title. Now the person who's going to give you that title is the family of Sabuni and the minister. Okay, listen.
Kakati lizeeyo bw'ogiba nayo constitution egamba mu article 237 tukuliko ab'ebibanja balina security of occupancy. N'olwekyo bw'oba n'ekyapa kya liizi nga kuliko ab'ebibanja tebakwatibwako, so abantu abo nga tebakwatibwako. President n'ajja n'akola directive egamba nti no evictions ng'anyweza kiri ekya constitution. N'olwekyo olina ekyapa kyokka kuliko ab'ebibanja constitution ne tobakwatako. President azzeeyo directive tobagobaako, bw'obagobako tukukwata ne tukuvunaana accordingly. Bw'oba mwagobwako dda buzzibweko. Ekirala ekyapa kya liizi tekitundibwa, tekiba compensatable. N'olwekyo Mwami Sabuni alina ekyapa kyokka kuliko abantu, n'olwekyo tekimugasa. Tebasobola kuba evicted. Ate tasobola kugira kikufunamu sente kubanga ttaka lya gavumenti. Kati kye tusazeewo, singa waliwo akafa akatono akatali mu bantu, asalingalingereza eyo bank, then district land board emwe freehold kwako. N'abaana abantu abalala bonna bafune ebyapa bya freehold kwako kapaati kebalimu nga tukozesa section 25 eya Public Land Act ya 69 yetugaidinga, kubanga mulimu kafuleeza akagamba nti buli muntu kasome tenant afune ekyapa ku kantu awo kaawo kipayinga. N'olwekyo wajja kuba activity nyingi. Aba district land board bajja kuba ne ba surveyors nga bayambibwako mwalabye nga ndeeta abo baani RDC, DISO, chairperson LC3 1 and 2 bonna bakole tiimu emu ne Sabuni nga mwali bajja kutambula balambuli wano wali wabanga bwabanga akukiika Sabuni kagenda okufunako afuneko freehold series holding eno. President Museveni tayagala ebya leasehold, ayagala abantu bafune ebyolubeerera. Kati bali abalala bonna buli muntu waali naye afunewo ekyapa ekya freehold. Kyekyo tusazeeko.
Even Chairman Faiji Chegebo is not around. So want to welcome you, our people here. As we have said, that we want to be here briefly. The good thing that when we are here, to read a memorandum for the people to react. I want to thank you. Bishop, you have something to say? Maybe to translate? Oh, my people use...
First say your own right, then you can try. You need to say something.
As chairman. Ministers let me thank the president.
Wakawindu minista namu wetu uwinjo wakelimu nyamaze amego walinge not yet enough. Bidi unyamuke elika kai. Para tudo que voy. Community me, I want to give thanks to our visitor from the big government which come from us. You are welcome. Now I can hear a team. Any year, a village community memorandum. We are going to read it. Watieke reaction